What's up, you guys? Haven't made a video in a long time, but I'm about to show you what's been going on with my car. If your car has been doing this noise and been hearing this noise like if it's the starter, well, it isn't. This is what's gonna happen if you keep hearing this grinding noise. It's gonna be your flywheel. You can see that. Let me try to get into there. See how those teeth grinded down? Well, that's what happens when you don't change your starter often, or when you try to let someone in your car doesn't know how to use the car or start up a car. I weighed down the starter, and I just barely got the starter not that long ago. Yep, I might as well, since you're gonna do that, might as well change out the oil filter too, which is right there. Well, keep you guys updated and let you guys know how it turns out to be.